All right, the question is, do you go up or do you go around?
Around!
I'm gonna go over.
Oh, you're gonna have to fun with that.
Oh, I blew a chute, but I got over.
Hey, Becker Trackers!
Today we're playing Gawker. We got our soccer balls and we're gonna play golf with them.
Yay, all right.
Foot golf.
Yeah.
Foot golf.
Let's go.
It's called.
So guys, how it works is basically golf, but you have a soccer ball instead.
All right.
We gotta start off with hole one.
Okay, we're at hole one,
So it's all the way over there. If you can see
121 yards.
You see it way over there.
Okay.
I'm going up first. Gonna run up.
Oh,
Ready? Set.
nice.
Good kick.
And Anson's off.
Okay, actually, we gotta wait. We gotta wait.
All right, Mommy.
This was going to be my redemption round.
Not without running shoes.
Well, 4 years ago, I was pregnant with Anton, and he was impeding my swing, and so I was all ready,
He was like this.
and I forgot my shoes.
He was like that.
So we'll have to do it.
I'm just gonna make it before you even shoot.
Well, he's gotta get out of the way.
Watch out. Oh
Whoa! Not bad.
Uh-oh, you're in the rough.
no. Oh!
Okay, go, guys. That's 2 for Matea. 2 for Anton. 2 for Anton. 3 for Matea. 2 for Anton. 2 for Mommy. Go, Anton, go. Get it. No. That's 2 for Anton. You had a roadblock there, Matea.
This is my 5.
Anton, come around.
Ow!
Oh no.
What happens if you get the bunker?
I got 5.
That's a stroke.
I've got 5, guys.
5 so far.
My foot's hurting. I shot it the wrong way on accident. There's a ladder.
Okay, go, bud. See the flag over there?
Oh no, oh, this way. I want to go this side.
So I have a penalty stroke. I hit the bunker, so I have to move my ball with a penalty. Ready?
I go. On the green.
On the green.
Go, Anton.
Go, Anton, go.
That's 3 for Anton.
3.
Wrong way, Anton. Go this way.
We're going for the flag.
Come on, bud.
Good kicking, buddy.
I'm at 9.
You're at 9. Okay, wait for everybody else. Just leave it there.
This is par 3.
Something like that.
Oh boy. Oh, I'm gonna lose my sandal. Oh.
I'm at 9, guys.
Good job, Anton.
We're not gonna count him. I'm at 9. I'm gonna get 10.
Anton's only on 4 right now.
No, he's on 19. Get it in there. Get it in there.
Get it in there, Anton.
Go. Get it. Woohoo. One more. Is it going?
Yay! Good job. Good job, Anton.
Yeah!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh.
Okay, take your ball out, Anton.
Okay, it's his turn. I'm about to get 10. And you at 1.
Well, I think I'm at 5, but I had a plus stroke. So 6.
And then you can, yeah.
No, with 6.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna go for 10.
Yay!
Down.
Okay, long putt.
So Anton got 5.
And
No, he got, I counted.
Who's the scorekeeper here?
He got 21. He got 21.
Okay, watch out, bud. Mommy's coming. In with the perfect putt.
Nope. Hey, Mommy. What?
Not so perfect?
I think I'm beating your guts with missing one foot putt.
Oh. Yay!
15 for Mommy. All right, here's hole number 2.
This one looks pretty easy. Going down.
Taya. 112 yards. That way.
Sorry. This way, Anton. Do you see the flag?
Over there.
Oh.
It zigzags.
You gotta go on the path, guys. Do you see the path?
Yeah.
Narrow path.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try without.
Go.
No shoes. How about that?
Yeah, that doesn't work either.
Oh.
Maybe it's not the shoes.
Anton. Yeah!
Yay, Anton. Good job.
Happy.
Hole number 3, 118 yards.
Ding, ding, ding. Round.
Okay. Hey, good job.
Hey, can you guys move up?
I'm not telling you.
Thanks for the help, Anton.
Thanks,
No,
buddy.
no, you.
Oh, here we are, hole 4,
Hey, guys. Guys.
135 yards.
Ding, ding, ding. Round 4. We're going for the world's longest soccer shot.
Okay. Nice.
Not bad.
Sounds good.
Okay, my question is, can you pick it up and hunt it?
Yeah, we should try one round like that, hey?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Okay.
Okay, Anton.
Go, Anton, go! Yeah! Just a look of determination.
Whoa.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. Probably 9.
Oh, you made it. I got 9.
There. Oh, it bounced.
Oh!
You made it. You made it.
9, you got 10. Oh, that was a hard round. All right, the question is, do you go up or do you go around?
Around.
I'm gonna go over.
Oh, you're gonna have to cover that.
Oh, I blew a shoe, but I got over. All right, go around. Okay.
Yep. I missed the red.
Look at her go. Here we go. Defense is not allowed in golf. Oh. Go, Anton, go.
Hey, guys. Guys.
Hey, you made it.
Red.
Nice. Let's go find it. Right here.
If you don't want to miss it, make sure you hit the notification bell. Right by the subscribe button. You can only hit it if you subscribe though, so. Mine will.
Right now, hole 6, 149. Let's do this.
Here.
Here we go. Down the hill. Woo! Go, Anton, go. Daddy's got your water. Yeah, good job. Keep going.
What about you?
I'm coming. Other way, buddy. Follow Matea. I can see how soccer's gonna go for sure. Other way, buddy. Are you coming up to join Mommy?
Oh!
There she blows. Okay, come on. Yeah! Let's go. Let's race. Come on. We're gonna race. Kick it. Kick it, kick it, kick it. Daddy's got some water for you. Daddy's on the injured list. It's a little sad he couldn't participate today. So he's become the water boy. I thought it was funny. Oh! 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 So close.
Well, thanks for watching, Becker Truckers. We had fun doing this.
We made it to hole number 6.
Comment down below if you did better ones, whether it was normal golf or pocket golf.
This course is a 9-hole.
I think we did pretty good.
Yep.
We're
We were
tapping
going
out
for
for now.
We were
Over and
going
out.
for 9, we made 6.
Woo!
Okay, still pretty good.
Traveling light and living simple. Soon a melody begins to rise. Traveling light and living simple. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied. No matter which side is green, you're satisfied.